You ever wondered why these faceless channels are all making their own avatars? It's simple, it's more entertaining, and makes the viewer remember your channel. You can even add these avatars to your own custom scene, make them walk, talk with lip sync, and have complete control over them. And I did all this with just one AI tool, PixVerse, so follow me and I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to show you guys how to create these animated avatars, walking, talking, lip synced, all of that, just right here on this one platform. So while you're in PixVerse, you're going to click on character, and then you're going to click on create right here. Next, you're going to name your character, and then go ahead and upload an image. Now that you have your image uploaded and you're named it, you're just going to click on create character. Now, once you click on character, you'll be able to select which avatar you'd like to use. And then you just want to go ahead and put in a prompt. So I'll place in this prompt right here. And now over on the left-hand side, you'll see all these different settings. So you have an option to choose the duration, how long you want it, 5 or 8 seconds. You can also choose between the resolutions. So I'm going to go with the highest quality, which is 1080p. And for 1080p, you can only select a 5-second clip. If you want an 8-second, you'll have to drop down to 720. But I'll keep it on 1080 and I'll just make a 5-second clip. And then you can choose the ratio. So since I'm making YouTube videos, I'm going to keep it on 16:9. And here's a really cool option. When you click on camera, you'll see all these different movements for the camera. So you can control the shot and how the camera is going to move. So as you see, you have a bunch of different presets right here. So I'll choose this one right here, dolly zoom. This looks like a really cool shot. And then for style, you also have the option to change the style of the video, but I'm going to keep it realistic. And now I'll come over here and click on create. So as you can see, we now have our avatar brought to life, and we have this cool animated background. And if you notice, he's not talking. So what you can do from here is you can click on this video, and then you can come over here to all these different options. We can upscale it, we can add some sound, or we can click on this button speech, and this is going to allow us to lip sync our character. So let's click on speech. And from here, you have 2 different options. You can click this button where it says enter lines, and you could just type in a script right here, and you can also choose what type of voice you want.
Hi, I'm Adrian, young and free.
I'm Oliver, full of energy and chasing my
I'm Liam. With time, I've gained wisdom from experience.
I'm Jack. Time flies and experience makes you more grounded. These days,
You can call me Mason. Though my years are many, my love for the world is unchanged.
But if you don't like one of those voices and you want a voice that fits your character better, you could just click right here and choose upload audio, and you can upload up to 30 seconds of audio and it's going to lip sync it perfectly. So I'll upload this audio here and you can preview your audio. You ever wondered why these faceless channels are all making their own avatars? Okay, and then I click create and it's going to automatically lip sync my avatar, which is awesome because now we don't have to use a bunch of different platforms. We could do everything right here on PixVerse. So just like that, it has lip synced our character. We'll click on that. You ever wondered why these faceless channels are all making their own avatars? It's simple, it's more entertaining, and makes the viewer remember your channel. And the thing about PixVerse that I like, it does a really good job of lip syncing these characters. I'm going to show you guys how to choose a specific scene or background that you want to place your avatar in. Click on this option that says Fusion, and here you can start by uploading a subject. So we'll click on upload and I'll bring in my character. I'll bring in my character right here, and then I'm going to click on this second box and I'll choose background. And I'll upload this image that I created, which is a custom scene built from my character. Now I can just type in a prompt and it's going to add my character into this exact scene right here and bring it to life. So I'll just place this prompt in right here, and then I'm going to click create. And PixVerse is automatically going to add our avatar into this scene and make it come to life. He is walking into the room, sits down at the computer and begins to type, just like I prompted. And as you can see, it's the exact room that we uploaded one image of. Now the room is actually real with our avatar in there. Now from here, we could choose to upscale it to HD, or we can actually do another option, which is extend it. So let's click on extend and we can make this video even longer and continue this video. So I'll just add in a prompt, and this is going to make him look at the camera and start talking, and that way we can add in some audio and we'll lip sync it as well. So click create. Now it's done with our extended scene, so we'll click on that, and of course it's going to start out the same, typing on the computer. And now here he goes looking at the camera and starts talking. So now from here, we can choose to add some speech. Click the speech tab and it's of course going to automatically lip sync our character. So let's just go ahead and upload some audio. You ever wondered why and I'll click on create. So now we have our extended clip. It's now 22 seconds long and it's lip synced. It's simple, it's more entertaining, and makes the viewer remember your channel. It's really helpful to make longer clips and keep the scene going when you don't want to break it up and you want to add in some lip syncing. Now I'm going to click on this option called transition, and I'll show you guys how to control what happens throughout the scenes. So you can click on the first box and you're going to upload the first image of the scene. And then I'll add in my last frame right here in this second box. Then all I have to do is describe whatever I want to happen between these two frames. And PixVerse is going to follow your prompt and create a transition from these frames. So I'll just show you how big of a difference is by uploading this old man as the last frame and this young man as the first frame. So you can see that PixVerse does a great job following exactly what you prompted. This is the easiest way to create these walking, talking avatars and do it all on one single platform without having to use a bunch of different AI tools. And on top of that, it's going to make your channel so much better because when you are able to add in an avatar for your faceless channel, it gives the viewers something to remember you by and keep your videos entertaining. So make sure you guys click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment. You guys can check out PixVerse and go ahead and start making your avatars for your faceless channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.